Actor Aishwarya Rai Bachchan has taken a big step to protect her image and dignity. She has moved the Delhi High Court, seeking protection of her personality rights against the misuse of her name, pictures, and identity on digital platforms and commercial products. The matter came before Justice Tejas Karia, who indicated that the court is inclined to issue injunctions to curb such misuse. The case is now officially scheduled for further proceedings on 15 January 2026. Representing Aishwarya Rai, senior advocate Sandeep Sethi told the court about the rampant exploitation of her identity for both commercial gain and even inappropriate content. He revealed that many websites falsely presented themselves as her official platforms, misleading the public and violating her publicity rights. He also gave shocking examples of merchandise, like mugs, t-shirts, and drinkware, bearing her image and name without authorization. In one particularly disturbing revelation, Sethi highlighted a company named Aishwarya Nation Wealth. The company had falsely listed Aishwarya as its chairperson on official documents. Sethi called this act fraudulent, stressing that his client had no knowledge of or connection with such entities. But it doesn't stop there. Sethi informed the court that obscene, morphed, and even AI-generated images of Aishwarya Rai have been widely circulated online. He condemned this as a gross violation of her dignity, adding that her likeness was being exploited for sexually explicit purposes. He described this misuse as deeply disturbing and unacceptable. Appearing on behalf of Google, advocate Mamta Rani explained the procedure for content removal, noting that specific URLs would need to be submitted for takedown. Justice Karia also shared his thoughts, saying that while a unified order would be ideal, injunctions might have to be passed separately against each violator depending on the scope of misuse. He observed that the plaintiff could either provide specific URLs for takedown or use the blocking and screening instructions (BSI) process. The court further stated that since the reliefs sought were broad, orders would be passed against each defendant individually. However, if a common order was possible, the court would not hesitate to issue it. This case highlights how even global icons like Aishwarya Rai are vulnerable to identity theft and digital exploitation, and why strong legal protection is absolutely necessary in today's digital world.